Good morning, my friends, and happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. My name is Ellen. Welcome to my Southern Kitchen and the 377th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today, I'm going to make my dad a delicious, decadent breakfast. We're going to make strawberries and cream stuffed French toast. How yummy does that sound? And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be simple and easy to make. We're going to stuff the bread with a creamy strawberry cream cheese filling. It's sure to make your mouth water, and it'd be great to serve for Sunday brunch. Everybody's going to fall in love with this. Breakfast just gotten better. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my breakfast and brunch recipes playlist and my previous video, Southern Peach Sweet Iced Tea. I'll post link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your strawberries, your cream cheese, and your Texas toast sugar, because we're about to cook some stuffed French toast magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make the strawberry cream cheese filling. In my bowl, I have 1 8-ounce carton of cream cheese spread at room temperature. And we're going to add in 1/3 cup of strawberry preserves. And 1/2 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And we're going to cream all these ingredients together until they're fluffy. On medium-low speed. Alright, now we're going to add and fold in 2/3 cup of fresh strawberries that I chopped. Alright, my friends, now we're ready to stuff the sandwiches. For this recipe, I'm using 8 slices of Texas toast, or you can use any thick bread. So I'm going to take our Texas toast and a dollop of the strawberry cream filling and spread it all around. Just like that. And then we're going to put another Texas toast right on top. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish stuffing my bread, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I got all my stuffed sandwiches together. So now we're going to set these aside while we work on the custard. In my large bowl, I have 3 large eggs at room temperature. And into our eggs, we're going to add in 1 cup of evaporated milk. My favorite thing in the whole wide world. Two tablespoons of packed light brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And 1 teaspoon of pure strawberry extract. And we're going to whisk these wet ingredients together until they're well incorporated. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up my custard. Now we're ready to cook our stuffed French toast. I got my griller nice and hot over medium heat, and I spread it with cooking spray, or you can use butter. So we're going to take our sandwich, dip it on the custard on one side for 10 seconds. Now we're going to flip it on the other side and let it sit in there for another 10 seconds. Alright, take it out of the custard, drip the excess, and put on the hot griddle. Like so. Yeah! Alright, so now we're going to cook our stuffed French toast until they're golden brown. About 4 minutes. All right, my friends, now it's time to flip the French toast. Here we go. So now we're going to let it finish cooking on the other side for another 4 minutes. All right, my friends, I'm through cooking my stuffed French toast. Look at that beautiful brown crust. And I want to show y'all the inside, so let me cut it in half. Ooh, don't that look good? Look at the strawberry. My dad's gonna love it. All right, there's a few more things we gotta add to them. Some maple syrup. Some powdered sugar. Fresh whipped cream. A couple of sliced strawberries. And fresh mint leaf. Now look how pretty that is. And there you have it, my friends. Strawberries and cream stuffed French toast. All right, now I'm about to serve it to my daddy. Hello, Daddy. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you, Brittany.
You're welcome. I made you breakfast.
Yeah, I see. Looks good.
It's strawberries and cream stuffed French toast. Enjoy.
I will.
All right, go ahead. Let me know what you think.
It's good.
Thank you.
It's good.
You like the cream cheese filling inside?
Yes, I do.
That's good.
It's really good.
Thank you. I'm glad you enjoyed it, Daddy. Happy Father's Day. I love you.
Thank you. Love you too.
My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And also hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delight. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, stay safe, and happy Father's Day.